Hi data enthusiast. This video is useful for the data analysts, not only for data analysts, those who are using Excel in their daily life and their work life to do their tasks to simplify their work. So this video talks about how to extract or find out the unmatched values or records in the given dataset. So the given dataset we have here column A and column B. Column A has 26 records and column B has 66 records. So now our problem statement is the total values of A column are matching with some of the values of column B. So the total values the the total values of IDs IDs in the column A are matching with some of the values of column B. But now we have to find out unmatched or extract unmatched values from the given data set from column B. Yes, this is the exact problem statement. So the total values of column A are matching with the sum of the values of column B, and there are some values in the column B are not matching with the values of column A. So this is the problem statement. We have to extract the unmatching values or unmatching records. So this is one a real-time problem. One of my friend asked me to solve this. So that time I was a bit confused, but after that, uh, sometime I'm able to do it is efficiently. So maybe so many people using this method to find out this in their daily life. However, I also want to disclose some of the people who don't know. So to achieve this, that means to extract unmatched values or unmatched records, we have to use match function here. Okay. So the match function here, the match function. So now we will create the column matched or not. Okay. So match type select lookup value. So here we have to select the column in which we are find out the unmatched rows, and we have to select array at the same time type of match. Okay, so this is it represents the it returned to what is that mean to the match function returns the position of the matched value. So here 2907 is matched with 2907 of column A. So here we will write clearly the match function returns the position of the matched matched value of lookup value. Yes, here 2907 is matching with 2907 in the A column. In the A column 2907 is lies in the second row, that means second position. second row. So that is why it returned 2. So the match function returns the position of the matched value of the lookup value. So yeah, now if you apply to all the values, so here even if 15, if you observe 15 also, so the 15 2810 is matching with 2810. Okay, so that is the reason the match function return are displaying 15. Why? Because in the A column 2810 is lies in the 15th row. So this is how match function works. Okay, now those who are /nar, those are unmatched value. That means it is like error, but these values are not matching with the column A. That is why it throws an error. So the NA means not matching values. Okay, now see NA. So now we will now modify our formula to replace NA. We will write formula if NA are not applicable. Okay, not found. To easily recognize, we will keep it as a not found. Okay, apply to the all values, also apply to the column, then all are converted into not found. So those who are displaying not found, those are the values unmatched with the values of column A. So now see here not found values are unmatched values. Now we will do filter now. Okay, if you do filter, so we filter not found values, those are the exact values of not matched. See, not found. Yes, so these are the values not found means those are not matching with the values of the column A. So total 40 records. Okay, so if you want to extract, just copy. Okay, just copy and paste in somewhere else. So these are the exact values, those are unmatched with the values of column A. Okay, so this is how we have to find out the unmatched values if they given data like this. Okay, that's all.